How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of plantar warts with apple cider vinegar, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I actually just had a plantar wart about a month ago on my foot. I do have a wart right here on my finger. This on my finger, the little wart on my finger, it's been insanely hard to get rid of, so I might actually have to go to a dermatologist. But the plantar warts I have noticed are very, very easy to get rid of. Apple cider vinegar does work for plantar warts. The reason being is because apple cider vinegar is very, very acidic and it actually attacks the wart. So apple cider vinegar does work. An easy way to do it is just get a cotton ball, dip it in apple cider vinegar, and then put that on the wart and just like, again, get the cotton ball and just apply the apple cider vinegar on the wart, leave it for 10 minutes and wash it off. Do this once or twice a day. That's all you have to do. Within, I would say, 4 days to a week, the wart will be completely gone. So apple cider vinegar does work really, really well. Personally, what I would do that's a little bit easier is I would use what's called compound W band-aids. They're extremely common. You can buy them at most like pharmacies, big stores, stuff like that. But they're very easy to do. They're literally a band-aid. You put it on, you wait 2 days, you take it off, and then most of the times after 2 days, the wart is completely gone. So I really, really, really recommend those. If you're getting warts often, then there are a couple things you guys can do that you got to change if you want to stop getting them. One thing for me that I was doing is when I was training at a commercial gym. I trained at a commercial gym for about probably 3 years. I do train in my basement now again, but out of my 12 years of lifting, 3 years was probably in a commercial gym. I was not wearing sandals inside the gym locker room. So I was getting warts, probably one wart every 2 months, literally because I was walking around in the locker room without socks on or shoes. Now, socks will work. Again, you just want something covering your feet. But normally what I would do is I would get changed and then I would go work out. When I came back, this is what I did wrong. I would get back into my normal clothes, but I would forget to put my socks on. And normally I would go to the sink and I would wash my face off and stuff like that. And I would walk from the change room to the sink with just bare feet. And that's why I kept getting that wart. So just try to wear sandals in any public place, like swimming pools especially. You will get warts. So wear sandals, any locker rooms, public places, swimming pools, public showers, anything like that. Wear sandals. This will help to prevent the warts. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.